Welcome to another exciting episode of Beyond Update, your passport to the ever-evolving world of technology. I will be your guide through the digital frontier, and today we are diving deep into the heart of global tech trends, from cybersecurity to digital transformation, business continuity, and the boundless realm of cloud computing. We are your trusted source for that insight that drives the future. So grab your headphones, tune in, and prepare to venture beyond the update. I'm your host, Ximena Flores, and today we will embark on an exploration alongside our IT solutions for transport and logistics with our expert, Norman Antonio Barajas. We will discover Beyond the Wheel, a solution by Beyond Technology, so we will dissect the intricate components shaping the value of freight transportation. Join us as we navigate this industry's challenges, from operational complexities to the ever-present risk that cast shadows on the road. Norman will guide us through the pivotal operational quandaries, unveiling the landscape's complexities. Together, we will delve into the high-stakes reality of cargo truck theft, quantifying the financial toll it imposes. Amidst these challenges, discover the avant-garde solutions by Beyond Technology offers as a beacon of resilience and logistics. This is Beyond Updates, your gateway to cutting-edge insights and transformative solutions. Stay tuned for an enriching conversation and the intersection of technology and transportation. Welcome, Antonio. It's a pleasure to have you here. I would like you to answer some questions about this offer and this industry, so let's get started. What are the value components of freight transportation?
In the freight transportation sector, there are precious components, such as trucks worth over $80,000, trailers valued at $20,000, and cargo amounting up to $500,000. In addition, there are consumables such as fuel tank of diesel costing $1,400 and tires for $500. But convoys typically have an average of 20 tires, totaling $10,000. Safety and tracking equipment can add up to $4,000. Therefore, a convoy on the road represents a total of $615,000 that companies have in motion daily. An important and often underestimated value is the human factor, especially the experience of drivers contributing to the safety of operations.
I didn't know, and I am sure that a lot of people would never imagine this amount of value. Regarding this, what risk does freight transportation face?
The primary risk for freight transportation companies originate on the road routes, where they are most vulnerable due to a lack of supervision, insecurity, and human factors in driving. In Mexico, 36 cargo units are stolen daily, with the most dangerous routes being the Circuito Exterior Mexiquense and the Mexico-Puebla-Veracruz Highway. The most accident-prone route is the Mexico-Querétaro Highway. When units are on the road, there are fixed and occasional risks. Fixed risks are locations with a known risk, such as areas with no cellular coverage, disguised locations like diners or mechanic workshops where operators buy stolen fuel, fake toll recipes, illegal invoices for expenses, or selling truck supplies like spare parts, tires, or diesel. Occasional risks are spontaneous accidents, mechanical failures, and theft events. Immediate reaction and planning are tools to address these risks. Among the occasional risks is the harm that drivers may suffer, ranging from severe incidents like kidnapping, torture, and in some cases, even death.
That doesn't sound good. And as I see, there are a lot of risks in this industry, and it's a bit dangerous. But in terms of operations, what is the main operational problem that this industry faces?
Insecurity on the roads, mainly truck and cargo theft, is the main operational problem for freight transportation companies. The significance of this problem lies in the considerable instability it creates within companies, as the loss of such amounts as mentioned earlier can set back short-term business processes and objectives. After a theft, drivers often leave the company due to psychological issues and may migrate to places like the United States, where such criminal problems are less common. This creates driver vacancies, forcing companies to hire inexperienced drivers, posing a risk of accidents in daily operations.
It is a shame that many very good drivers leave the company due to all those problems, and now we have it very clear that they are transporting a lot of money. Do you know how much does a cargo truck theft cost?
Considering the element as losses for business during a cargo theft, the following cases are listed. Insured operation, tractor-trailer insurance deductible is $5,000. A trailer is $20,000. A cargo insurance deductible is $10,000. The recovery process is $4,000 for a total cost of $39,000. An uninsured operation case, the tractor-trailer is $80,000 of cost. The trailer is $20,000, the cargo is up to $100,000, and the recovery process again is $4,000, where a total cost per theft event is $204,000. The replacement theft times for units and trailers can last up to a couple of months, causing delays in fulfilling contacts and services requested by customers and resulting in a loss of company income.
It sounds like a big challenge, and I am very happy that Beyond is aware of this, and as our mission says, we are trying to transform this industry and generate well-being and transcendence in this ecosystem. But what value proposition does Beyond we offer in response to this risk and problem in freight transportation?
The technological ecosystem of Beyond the Wheel provides our clients with total visibility, event prevention, resource control, and emergency response during the operational processes through innovative solutions and advanced road monitoring resources. The integrated ecosystem in the operation of our clients works broadly as follows. We assign travel and delivery data through the last mile system. The data is handed over to the monitoring center where, using the Beyond the Wheel platform, convoy and tire registration is done for monitoring and receiving alerts on the route. We can detect failure indicators through telematics of the level sensors, including temperature, fuel, or speed, to provide recommendations to the driver through the journey. In case of an emergency such as theft, the anti-jammer system immobilizes the convoy upon detecting a jammer, or we can immobilize the truck in cases of suspicious activities until the unit is no longer at risk. Upon completing the route, the last mile system records cargo delivery, travel time, and itinerary completion. The monitoring center verifies the convoy's full tire entry into the yard, and if there are any no issues, the trip is closed and administrative reports of the route are generated for the client through the Beyond the Wheel platform.
And it's important that someone is concerning about all these problems, and it's getting down to work because it is very important to solve these problems. We are talking about security. Thank you very much, Antonio, for being our guest, and I would like to ask you if you want to say something else, and thank you for joining us again.
Thank you very much for the time, Ximena. It's been a pleasure. I'm trying to explain some of our solutions. So let's get together for the next time, and thank you for everything.
As always, we're here to keep you informed and engaged with the latest global tech trends. If you have questions, feedback, or topics you would like us to explore, do not hesitate to reach out. You can find us on social media, and don't forget to subscribe, rate, and review us on Spotify. Until next time, keep innovating, stay secure, and embrace the endless possibilities of this digital age. We will catch you on the flip side of the next update.